Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Siteground business email to your Gmail account. So let's get started. Okay, so there's three main steps you got to follow through. First is to create your new business email in Siteground. Second is to add your business email to SendMail in Gmail. And the final is to add your business email to check or receive mail in Gmail. So let's go to your SiteGround account. So this is the dashboard for your account, and click on manage where it says websites. You might have multiple sites or just one like me, and click on site tools. Okay, once you're in, you gotta click on email accounts. Okay, this is where you create a new email account. So let's just go ahead and create email called contact@paramit.com. Contact@paramit.com says here. Password, you create. It says good, so good enough for me for now, because I'm going to delete this anyway after the tutorial. So go ahead and click create. All right, perfect. So email account contact@paramit.com is created. All right, so keep this page open. Uh, And here, if you just come down, you can go to the email you just created and click on the three dots you see in the corner and go to login to webmail. Okay, it takes you to this place where you get all the emails to the new account that you just created, new email. Okay, so this is fine. So now let's go to your Gmail account. Here, go to settings and click on see all settings. Under settings, click on the accounts and import. And this is where you got to add where it says send mail as. You already seen that I had a previous email called info@paramit.com. Now you can create the one add the one that you just created. So here you can either put your name if it's your portfolio website, or if you have a website that has a business name, you can also add that here. Next step is to create the email that you just created. Keep the checkbox as it is. Here is where you got to go back to Siteground, copy the mail server. Where did it go? Okay. Replace that with this. Again, create the one that you just created. And also the password. Here, you got to make sure that you choose the port 465 as it links to your SSL. That's very important. Okay, next is go ahead and click add account. Okay, so now here it connected your email. Now all you need to do is verify. So here you have to go back to your mail inside your SiteGround account. Click on refresh. Okay, there it is. Now click on the verification link here, and it opens up a Gmail page. Click on confirm. Okay, this should confirm you to send any new emails as contact@param.com in my case, but in your case, it might be anything that you just created. It says verify. Then just cancel that. Maybe refresh. Should be verified now. Okay, perfect. It's verified. So the last and final step is to add your account under check mail from other accounts. Oops. Here. Okay, now go ahead and click on add a mail account. Here again, go to contact.com. Click on next. Here, keep, yeah, we can just go to next. Okay, here, again, don't leave this as a username. You got to type in the whole email address. Here, make sure the password is the one that you created in Siteground and not your Gmail account password. Okay, pop server, you can leave that as it is. That's showing right. For the port, you got to choose 995 because that's the port that connects your pop server. There are a list of checkboxes you got to check. The first one is optional. This is where if you want a copy of your email stored here when you receive any email to the new account. If not, you can just leave that as it is. Personally, I like to keep a copy, so I'll leave that. I'll keep a check on it. The next is to check the second one. This is very important. Make sure that when you get emails, a very secure connection. And the last one is label incoming messages. This is where you got to here you can either keep your email as it is, or you can choose a new label, something like Pyramid website. All right, and then add account. Give it a while. It takes few minutes to secure the connection. You can check back after a few moments, and then it should have secured the secure connection. And that's it. Yeah, there you go. It's connected. And that's it. You can double check and send a test emails. You probably will get an email to your new account. And that's it, folks. That's how you connect your SiteGround business email to your Gmail account. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you think this video helped. And thank you.